The world of compact drones has evolved faster than ever, and DJI is once again ready to change what we expect from small aerial cameras. The upcoming DJI Neo 2 isn't just another pocket-sized drone. It represents a major leap toward portability without compromise. Over the past few years, creators have dreamt of a drone that's lightweight, travel-friendly, and still powerful enough to deliver stable flight, cinematic footage, and smart AI features. With the Neo 2, DJI seems to be pushing that dream into reality. The first Neo impressed people with its tiny body and easy-to-use interface, but it wasn't perfect. Windy weather and limited sensors often held it back. This new generation is rumored to fix those issues through smarter engineering, stronger materials, and more advanced software. Early leaks suggest that DJI has redesigned the airframe to make it tougher where it matters, with double-layered propeller guards and a reinforced structure that can handle minor impacts. This is great news for beginners who want to learn without constantly worrying about crashes. What's even more exciting is that the Neo 2 is expected to stay under 250 grams, keeping it in the light drone category that's exempt from many registration laws around the world. That makes it a perfect travel companion. Easy to pack, easy to carry, and safe to fly almost anywhere. DJI is also improving the flight system. New motor tuning may provide better lift in windy environments. And repositioned sensors could allow true multi-directional obstacle detection, which is something few ultralight drones can offer. Rumors also point to a redesigned controller with improved grip texture, better antenna placement, and a more reliable connection. These small but meaningful upgrades could prevent dropouts and make flying smoother for creators filming on rooftops, beaches, or crowded cityscapes. DJI's goal seems clear: to build a travel-friendly drone that feels as stable and dependable as its larger professional models. When it comes to the camera system, the Neo 2 could be a major step forward. Leaks mention a 1.3-inch sensor capable of recording 4K video at 60 frames per second, along with improved HDR performance and reduced noise. For creators, this means smoother slow-motion shots, better low-light detail, and more dynamic range for color correction during editing. If DJI includes flat or log color profiles, this would open up cinematic possibilities rarely seen in sub-250G drones. The Neo 2 might also support RAW photos and advanced exposure control, helping both photographers and videographers get professional-grade output in a tiny package. In terms of battery life, the new drone is rumored to reach 20 to 25 minutes of flight time, which is a solid improvement over the original Neo. Combined with smarter AI tracking, this drone could automatically follow subjects even when they move behind obstacles, ideal for travel vloggers, runners, or cyclists wanting autonomous aerial footage. DJI is reportedly developing a new transmission system that improves range and reduces latency, allowing pilots to view live footage more smoothly without lag. Accessory options are also expected to expand. DJI could offer a Fly More-style bundle that includes extra batteries, a fast-charging dock, ND filters, and a small carrying case that can also charge the drone. The controller itself may come in two versions: a basic budget model and a premium one with a built-in display for direct flight monitoring. This gives creators flexibility to choose what fits their workflow. Pricing leaks suggest that the Neo 2 will start around $220 to $250, while advanced bundles might reach up to $400 depending on included accessories. This puts it squarely between the entry-level drones and higher-end models like the DJI Mini 5 Pro, offering a balance of affordability, performance, and portability. For many travelers, this could be the perfect middle ground: compact enough to carry everywhere, powerful enough to capture cinematic footage, and inexpensive enough to recommend to beginners. Of course, DJI isn't just innovating in drones. Alongside the Neo 2, the company is said to be working on new compact camera systems such as the DJI Osmo Nano, which aims to provide professional-grade video in a wearable 52-gram form factor. The Osmo Nano's modular magnetic design and 1.3-inch sensor make it an ideal companion for POV or vlogging use. It even supports 10-bit color and stabilization modes like Rocksteady 3.0 with horizon leveling. This combination of drone and wearable camera technology reflects DJI's mission to give creators lightweight, flexible tools for shooting anywhere. The Osmo Nano's waterproof design, touchscreen controls, and fast-charging dock make it a powerful addition to DJI's creator ecosystem. Together, the Neo 2 and Osmo Nano seem to showcase a new generation of compact filming tools. one that lets you capture cinematic footage from the air and ground seamlessly. In conclusion, the DJI Neo 2 appears to redefine the limits of what a small drone can achieve. With its improved build quality, upgraded camera, smarter sensors, better AI, and thoughtful design, it could easily become one of the most popular travel drones of 2025. Whether you're a content creator, vlogger, or simply a drone enthusiast looking for a portable and affordable model, the Neo 2 seems ready to deliver a top-tier experience in a pocket-sized form. If all these rumored specs prove true, DJI might not only dominate the premium drone space but also the compact segment, proving once again that innovation doesn't need to be large to be powerful. The DJI Neo 2 isn't just about flying. It's about expanding creativity anywhere, anytime, giving every traveler and filmmaker the freedom to tell their story from above.